I'm the smartest one here.
It's all your fault. I'm hiding the truth.
Hey, that's not true.
I don't always know.
I pretend to be brave, but I am actually scared all the time. I pretend I always have the answers, but sometimes I'm just guessing. I pretend food is all I care about.
Food is all I care about because when I try to help, sometimes people laugh at me and it hurts.
Why isn't anyone helping her?
Kindness woke the whole village.
The whole village woke up from one act of kindness. An elderly village crystal devoted to gold time.
Wow, look at them run!
Whoa, what was that?
The path is gone. We have to find a way across.
Crystal 4, patience unlocked.
Phew, we made it.
The best bite ever! Thank you, young ones. Your patience inspires.
Gratitude is next.
Children, we climbed the mountain to thank you.
Yep, Motu! You came all this way for us?
We heard about the samosa. We brought a feast.
Thank you.
May I eat now?
Yes, dear. Enjoy.
Magnificent.
This is perfect.
Look, the mountain. 2 crystals left.
I forgive you. You were probably hurting too.
I forgive you. You were afraid of things you didn't understand.
I forgive you, and I forgive myself too. We were all just trying to be okay.
Crystal 6 came from inside Motu himself, the most beautiful thing, and blue is back. The sky is blue, the rivers are blue, the world is breathing. 6 crystals collected. Only the most remained collected.
Cannot defeat him. You must free him. Give him the 7th crystal. It must be made all together. To create Crystal 7 unity, we must all hold the other 6 crystals and give something of ourselves simultaneously.
Crystal 7 Unity is born from all of them together. It contains every color ever, and the gray shadow is reaching for it with a trembling hand.
La 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 la.
Welcome back, your whole world! Our heroes, we are all here for you.
Came back! Oh, my heart is full!
Look, the butterflies are back.
Do you think we'll get another map?
I thought you'd need this too.
After this snack, though.
After this snack, though.